Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to create essential pages for your blog or website. These pages include privacy policy, terms and conditions, disclaimer, and about us page. In final part of video we'll show you how you can add them in header and footer menu of the blog to customize it. We will create these pages using two methods. Don't skip any part of the video, so let's begin. The first thing you need to do is create a new page for your blog. To do this, log into your Blogger account by opening your web browser. Click blogger.com. Navigate to your Blogger dashboard. Click on Pages from the left-hand menu. Then, click on the New Page button. Name the page you are going to create. I will write Privacy Policy. A privacy policy is a legal document that outlines how you collect, use, store, and protect personal information from your website visitors. We will create a privacy policy using HSuperTools. Follow these steps. Go to HSuperTools. These are free tools provided by HEducate. You can use them. Click on Free SEO and Digital Marketing Tools. Sign up using your Google account. It's super easy. I already have accounts, so we'll log in. These are some free SEO and digital marketing tools. Go to Web Tools and select the Privacy Policy Generator. Now add your website name. Now paste your blog URL here. To copy your URL, go to Blogger dashboard. Then go click on View Blog. Copy the URL of your page. Paste in the website URL section. Then click on Generate Privacy Policy. That's it, your page is ready. Now select all its content and copy it. Again, go to the Blogger dashboard. Open the page we were creating. Now paste content you copied. Now we will review and edit the final document as necessary. Headings must be bold so they look more prominent. Remove all the links that are directing to other sites. Customize the privacy policy based on your specific needs and preferences. After doing necessary editing, check the preview of your page. That's how our privacy policy page will look like. We will resolve small issues before publishing. Then we will publish our page by pressing Publish button. Then press Confirm. That's it, our page is published. To create another page, again click on the New Page button. Now we will create Terms and Conditions page, so title it. Terms and conditions are a set of rules and guidelines that govern the use of your website or online business. To create it, we will open HSuperTools. Then we will click Terms and Conditions Generator at Web Tools. Add blog name and its URL. We'll copy the URL of our blog and paste in URL section. Then we'll click on the Generate Terms page. Done, it generated in few seconds. Again, select it all and copy it. Then paste in Blogger page section. Now customize your page according to your needs and preferences. Remove all the external links. You can control the reader comments. I will simply allow it. Once you're done, publish your page. Press confirm to publish it. Now we will create other two pages by second method. First of all, we will create disclaimer page for our blog mjacad. A disclaimer is a statement that limits your liability for any information or content presented on your website. We will create a disclaimer page using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is free AI, but you can ask questions and it will answer you. So follow these steps. Go to ChatGPT, open AI. Sign up using Google account, it's simple. I already logged in. Now give it a command. Please generate a disclaimer page for my affiliate blog mjacad where we review products. Then paste the URL of your blog. Click on this small button or press enter on keyboard. It will start generating disclaimer page for our blog. Once it's done, select all the content it generated for disclaimer page and copy. Now again, go to Blogger dashboard and click New Page button. Give it a title disclaimer. Now paste it as plain text, the content you copied from ChatGPT. Customize the disclaimer based on your specific needs and requirements. Review and edit the final document as necessary. Make headings and keep them bold so they are more prominent. Justify the content. Check the preview of your page before publishing. Publish the disclaimer on your blog. Press confirm. That's it, our page is published. Now we will create About Us page for our blog. An About Us page is a section of your website that provides information about your company, its history, and its values. Click on Create New Page. Name it. Go to ChatGPT and give it a command to generate About Us page for your blog. Type in your blog name and its purpose, short description, and URL of your blog. Mind it, use keywords you are going to target in short description so it can generate a page for you. Press enter. Provide any necessary details about your company's history, values, and mission. It will automatically start generating About Us page for your blog. At the end, it gives you a short note that it's just a suggestion, you can edit and modify it according to your taste and style. Now select the content it's generated for you and copy it. Again, go to Blogger dashboard and paste the content of your page. Customize the About Us page to match your blog branding and style. Review and edit the final document as necessary. Click on Publish. Then confirm to publish the About Us page on your blog. Now in the final part of our video I will show you how you can add these pages at the header and footer menu of your blog. So let's begin. To do that, copy the URL of page and navigate to Layout section. Edit the top navigation section. Scroll down. Edit this About page. Name it exactly as you titled your page. Now paste the link of your page. Then click Save. Again press Save to update changes. Now again go to Dashboard, open remaining pages in new tab so that you can easily copy their URLs. Again go to Layout. Edit top navigation. Scroll down. Delete this contact button. Now click on Add a new item. Name the page you want to add. Copy the URL of page and paste in Site URL section. Click on Save to update changes. Now again click on Add a new item. Name the page Terms and Conditions. Copy the URL of page and paste in Site URL section. Click on Save to update changes. Now to add disclaimer page, again click on Add a new item. Copy the URL of page. Name the page. Paste in Site URL section. Click on Save to update changes. Now finally click on Save to update widget. Click on View your blog. These pages are added in your header section. You can view these pages by opening them in a new tab. You can see in my privacy page there is unwanted space. I will remove it. To do that, go to Pages section in Blogger dashboard. Then click on Privacy Policy page. Remove this extra space. Now click on Update to save changes. Now we will add these pages in footer menu by repeating same steps. Again go to the Blogger dashboard. Then go to Pages. Open these in new tabs to copy their URLs. Navigate to Layout section. Scroll down. Edit menu footer widget. Scroll down. Edit this About page. Name it exactly as you titled your page. Now paste the link of your page. Again press Save to update changes. Now copy the URL of Terms and Conditions page. Edit this Contact Us page. Rename it Terms and Conditions. Paste the URL of page at Site URL section. Click Save. Click on Add a new item. Name the page as Disclaimer. Copy the URL of page. Now paste in Site URL section. Click Save to update changes. Now again go to Blogger dashboard. Click on View Blog to see changes. It's our header menu. Go to Footer menu. Our pages are added. Oh, I forgot to add privacy policy in Footer menu. You can add it by repeating same steps. Again, view your blog. You can see pages are added in header menu. Same pages are added in Footer menu. That's how you can successfully create essential pages and About Us page for your blog by using HSuperTools and ChatGPT. These pages are very essentials to get AdSense approval. Without these pages, you cannot monetize your blog with any ads network. Thanks for watching. MJ is signing off. We'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep hustling. One day you will be proud of yourself.